Imagine standing before one of India's most breathtaking natural wonders, where nature's grandeur shifts with the seasons, each time revealing a new layer of beauty. Welcome to Jog Falls. Nestled in the western Ghats of Karnataka and standing tall at 830 feet as the second highest plunge waterfall in the country. Jog Falls isn't just one waterfall, but a combination of four distinct cascades: Raja, Rani, Rocket and Roarer, each with its own unique character. During the monsoon season, the falls are a thunderous spectacle, with water gushing down in full force, drawing visitors from around the world. However, winter brings a different kind of magic. When we visited this season, we were greeted by an enchanting sight. The air was cool and crisp, and a heavy fog hung over the falls, creating a mystical atmosphere. The familiar roar of the falls was muted, and the normally clear view was obscured by a thick blanket of mist, making the falls appear and disappear in a ghostly dance. This fog added a mysterious charm, turning our visit into an almost otherworldly experience. While the falls weren't as forceful as during the monsoon, the tranquil ambience and the sense of being surrounded by nature's quiet power were unforgettable. Even though the fog obscured much of the falls, it reminded us that nature is full of surprises, offering something new each time we visit. Whether you come in the peak of the monsoon or the serene calm of winter, Jog Fall is a place where the elements of nature create an ever-changing masterpiece, leaving you with memories that last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the most India's magical places. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the beauty of the natural world. Thank you for watching.